Hey, what even happening in this woman? There's so many there's so many hospitalization in this woman happen here. Okay. Oh my god. How is this randomly show into my feed? Oh. I actually want to react to Deltarune here. Anyway, but because my mom wouldn't let me to download any video games. But my man, I never seen this random before. Oh my god. You know what? This deserves to be reacted. Welcome. Welcome. Elimination. It's honor for you to me to react to this video. This is because of the most random way you could live your life in here. Maybe you should say more words than you. Enjoy. Oh my god! That's so random. Yeah, I feel like I watch 1/4 of them. Naka-record.
Nakapanganib laban na. Kung iniisip mo ang posibilidad, tayo ngayon ang hahanapin ng bata. Sa palagay ko, malayo mangyari yun. Sa matinding pa-focus na ginawa.
Oh my god.
Okay, Mike. Markado tayo. Jack na bubel tayo ang pagkasatin.
If you're wondering where I say that, I think it's here. It's here.
Hayaan mo, Frank.
Why I get abortion?
Akong bahala magtanong-tanong
because
sa matatagpuan.
I cannot tell you anything about the password and email or email at all. But my mom gave I must not. Do not hack me. But I mean my
mahirap na kalaban si Mike.
But he's installing all of the account into our new phone. Of course, she have to. Log into the account, of course. How can you access YouTube and stream?
Alam mo ba si Mr. Acuna?
So it took me multiple attempts to finally pull this off.
Kailangan makita
Now,
ng
continue the
estudyante na hindi biro yung sasalihan nating sports tournament. Paano naman magpasok sa mga bata ng
But after I saw that is insane.
Siya pa sa kaman at malamig na orange.
You know what?
Ano po?
No, I'm not gonna tell anyone anything about hospitalization of her, but because it will take so much time. So just search why I get abortion, or I'll put link in the description probably. So you can search it up and follow me. Maybe this video also have to be linked. So anyways, let's get the oh my god.
Alam mo, Mi, ngayon lang ako nakakita niya ang kaputing Pwede ba, Mi? Pwede ba mahima? Ha? Ano?
They just wanted to have views. Probably if they lost their phone, they would never be good.
Uli-uli, pag nainom ka, ilalagay mo sa tiyan mo.
The money to the homeless person.
At ikaw, Mi, uli-uli, pag pupunta ka sa ganitong lugar, ipiliin mo yung susuot mo. Huwag ganyan na nakasuot. Kaya nilalapitan ka ng lapis. Magbihis ka na maayos. Hindi ba ikaw?
Wala mo ito! Ang simpati ko! Ano ba naging sa akin? Wala akong gay!
There are two types of admission.
Of course! It's literally in the name.
The first is voluntary.
Apa ay bago ko makalimutan, Poldo. Kayo ni kasamang Brando ang natitinong mag-aasikaso nung sound system na gagamitin natin
I don't
sa...
think voluntary.
Ay, ano?
I don't think voluntary even
Yung
happened.
pagkakabit ng bandarita,
Okay.
piliin ninyo yung magaganda. Humingi ka ng tulong sa kabataang barangay.
You
Ha?
should.
Chairman, ito.
You should
Yung
be.
sisaan ng
Ano
programa sa gabi mo. Ibigay mo na sa akin yung mga kakanta, tutulasa, sayaw, kung ano man yun, para malagyan na natin ang punto.
Oo, Chairman.
Ayos ka tayo, mga kasama. Oo, Chairman. Reglado, Chairman. Tingin na muna ako.
Don't want to go. Speaking from my own experience, those kinds of admissions can be tough. It made me
Magandang araw, Chairman.
Ay, magandang araw naman sa iyo. Kumusta naman ang inyong practice?
Mabuti naman ho.
Ay, magaling. Ay, oo nga pala. Ako ni kaibigan ipakikilala sa iyo. Balikbayan.
strange.
Ha? Oo.
Sige.
Mike?
To help ease your
Sandali
anxiety,
lang.
allow me to explain how my first voluntary admission went. I was only 13 going on 14 at the time, and I wasn't allowed to take much in with me.
Mike?
The hospital will usually collect things like your phone,
Ba?
keys,
Ano yan?
wallet, and they'll hold on
Kaya
to them
ba,
until
ano
you're
na lang, Mike?
discharged. You know, to keep it all
Brando,
safe. And they won't let
nandiyan na
you
si
in
Ma'am Tess.
with certain clothes. Anything with
Ah!
strings,
Sak na
shoelaces,
i-score ako ngayon.
sensor,
Kahit na itanong niya tungkol sa pariaba.
and everyone else
Yakan-yak ako. Nado, may pariaba ka pa sinasabi. Baka mamaya tanong ko yung mga text. Kung gano'n ka ba baba mo? Tira mo naman ako.
and they last forever. So that's a perk. Like I said, I was pretty
Ma'am
young
Tess,
back
magtanong ka
then.
kayo ngayon.
I had just
Magtanong kayo.
started my first
Kahit
week of
pare.
high school.
Haba.
I was terrified of my classmates finding out that Alyssa was sent to
Ba't
an
parang galit?
asylum.
Paano hindi pagagalit? Eh, pinakita mo yung mukha mo.
Football games.
Bakit?
Here
Masama pa ang
was
mukha
on
ko.
Friday night, being in a
Tatanong mo
bar,
pa?
eating pizza outside, tasted like nothing, on an indestructible bed, literally a giant eraser, and watching the same two episodes of Say Yes to the Dress Dancer on TLC for 6
Akala
hours
mo
straight as
tutulog?
I waited for a doctor to transfer me from the ER into the facility.
Kaya ikaw,
So if I wasn't
Piliin mo yung isusuot mong damit sa ganitong klaseng lugar para hindi ka basta sinalasing.
Why are you even locked down in the first
Kasi
place?
kailangan pakilaman ang upo ng may upo. Ang short ng may short.
So it isn't well funded. And because
Paano
of that,
naging kaibigan ni
the
Chairman ang
hospital
antipati
only
ko
had
yun?
10 beds. And I'm sure there are more than 10 people in crisis at any given moment. I'm lucky there's even
Ano ba nangyayari?
somebody to complain and live to tell the
Father,
tale. Because things used to be a
somebody's
lot
high
worse.
blood.
Historically, what we know as
Yeah.
insane asylums were not at all a place for those struggling with mental health to seek asylum or receive help. Instead, they were used as a place to discard and hide away whatever people your community, your family, or the police simply didn't like having around. I won't go into the details of how horrific conditions were back then, but I will tell you, things didn't change until something called
Magandang gabi.
moral treatment movement began. So, to reiterate, the scariest part about 24-hour abandoned insane asylum challenge is the lack of empathy a person would have to make visiting a historical site of systemic oppression
Yeah, that
about
kind of makes
them
sense.
and not the victims. And although conditions have improved immensely over the years,
It's kind of what I told you before this
so
video, I
again,
think.
Wala ang
the
ronda nyo?
scariest part about these
Probably
hospitals
the
will
Nagparelyebo
always
po kami. Andiyan po ba si Ma'am?
yourself.
Siyempre naman naririto, bahay namin to, no? Ang ibig ko namin
Oh.
sabihin, pwede ho ba namin siyang...
You didn't have ad blocker.
Part about these hospitals
I didn't have
will always
ad
be
blocker.
being patient yourself.
Papa, you been food for us?
At saka isa paano hindi ko kayo pwedeng papasukin dahil malamok. Nag-spray ako. Masusupakin kayo. Tama.
This is so scary.
Alex, Tess?
Of course.
Tess!
That's what you expect.
Tess!
Isn't there supposed to be a doctor with like a big scary needle,
Bakit, ha?
and they throw me in a room with
Nandito si
pillows,
Alex.
sedate me,
Kaberto, magandang gabi po.
or something?
Sandali. Ma'am Tess, ready ako sa question. Urin mo. Magandang gabi. Alex, pwede ka.
People in this hospital
Kaberto, meron nga pala ako dito pasalubong sa inyo.
except for the patient. But
Pagdamutan niyo.
no.
If you have trouble sleeping, we
Ah,
can give you
Nila.
melatonin gum.
Meron nga pala ako imported chocolates para sa'yo.
Thank you.
What?
Throw me in a room with pillows and
Ito naman
sedate
para
me,
sa'yo.
or
I
something.
never watched this part.
Alam ko sa Los Angeles.
If you
Pero
have
nakita
trouble
ko rin.
sleeping, we can give you melatonin
Wala,
gum.
salamat, Alex.
Grabe.
Na, wala pa.
No thanks.
Ano?
I'm good.
Narcotics?
Yung hangin eh.
It's a little comfortable.
Wala ka nito.
Yes, I
Gummy
Kaya
foods.
ka ganyan.
Ang forma nito.
Turning
Kaya rin naman natin bumili ng ganyang kotse ah. Hindi ba, Poldo?
look like a dinosaur or bear.
Makita ka. Oh, teka. Dito lang ba tayo magkukwentuhan sa labas?
Alex, hindi ka sa loob.
Oh, sige.
And a knockoff Tempur-Pedic mattress to lull me to sleep.
Why are you even locked up in the first place?
Seriously though, it was just
Alex,
possible.
bakit mo? Alam mo?
Of course.
Hindi ko sana makipagkwentuhan sa'yo na matagal eh. Kaya lang, nakasintay ko eh.
That meant more
Pasensya ka na ha,
funding,
ate.
nicer facilities.
Sabihin mo kay Aling Pilar, ipagkala
Also,
na makakain si Alex.
I never reacted to this video full way, and then
Makikikain din kami. Hindi, sasamahan niyo ako.
and also
Di, sasama kami.
oh yeah, it's 1 year ago, and also I was late, and also
O, Das, 1 for more.
Buisit! Inaalat ako talaga.
I never record when I so when I watching this.
Ayaw mo ba ha?
Hindi! Kailangan ko makabawi.
Yeah, I will watch.
Transfer through
Nasaan
their
pa si
school
Puche?
system and have my missing assignments
Hindi
sent
ba
to
pa
me.
dumarating yun?
Ewan ko, wala
Catch
pa eh.
though was
Of course, that's what we expect.
sorry, don't mind us. We're just observing.
Of course.
5. Eto na pala eh.
Also, that's what would you expect. No, I'm not a professional with psychiatric seeker.
Kasi ayaw naman
Psychiatric
utang yung
doctor.
yan.
So
Nag-usap na lang
do not
ako eh.
do not expect me to make mistakes. Please, do not make critical advice over me.
You're observing? Yes, observing.
Do not judge me if I'm not. I am telling you right now. I'm just guessing because about what you expect to this. They did that because they might be afraid what will you gonna do next. Some of this some of the patients might be unpredictable sometimes. They don't want that.
Oh,
Of course.
so you're just gonna stand there and watch me like I'm a beta fish in a pet store cup?
Yes.
You're not for yourself. How else do you expect them to learn? Oh, I don't know. Maybe by not taking notes on me as I go through one of the hardest times of my life. I was sent here to rediscover my will to live, not be the pitiful protagonist of
But they don't want unpredictable things that they cannot control.
someone's college essay. Like, they're already making me do macaroni art. The least they can do is let me
Wait, there's-
lost of dignity, but I digress.
They're waking up.
Just felt like a weird tourist attraction. The students barely talked to us. Their professor only talked about us in front of us, and it was clear they were all scared to get too close or make eye contact for too long.
Miss,
Speaking of, how did you even
hira naman oh.
how did you even end up in this position? It remind me of how did we get here from Minecraft. Oh my god.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
May kasalanan ka.
What?
Oh, kaya nga inaabangan ko rito para hindi ako
I
dispensa.
was informed I'd be staying there for at least a week, so I had to figure out how to
Wait.
keep busy, stay
Keep
safe,
busy.
and make sure I could get out.
Oh, alam
Thankfully,
ko,
it's
kaya
just
lang
a week.
naisip ko, baka dito ang timing para makausap siya.
No, yeah, I
Mali ang
doubt
time
it.
mo. Dapat
Wait,
kasi
what?
kinakausap mo muna
You know what? I'm gonna turn on the
At least a
subtitles.
week, so
Kaya, ba't
I
ikaw
had to
ba
figure out
kausapin
how
ko?
to keep busy, stay
Unang-una,
sane, and
ang
make sure I could
gulang-gulang
get
mo.
out.
Pangalawa,
Do you think I
ngayon,
took one of their badges?
pakialamero ka pa.
Ka
No, yeah, I
magsalita ng
doubt it.
ganyan.
But
Baka hindi
you
mo ako
wouldn't get
kilala.
fired 'cause
Kung
you
sino
need
ang
that
baraw
key
ito.
to get down the elevator.
Kilala kita kung sino ka rito.
Sino?
We'd have to plan an escape.
Ikaw ang
like
racket
those
ng
fish
tubig
finding
dito.
Nemo.
May racket ng tubig.
Dude, I love that movie.
Ay, hindi ko gusto ang tono ng salita
The
mo
thing I
ah.
was terrified of
That's
too
terrible.
was the other patients.
Pagkausap pa kita, kinakailangan tama ang tono ko.
Me expecting I'd be rooming with a teenage mutant ninja.
Mas sumusobra ka na.
And of course, all it took
What?
was
It's literally in the that's literally their sprite. What the hell? You just change it.
kid in here is just as scared as you are. I wouldn't call any of those kids I met crazy. I'd call them my friends. No jokes about escaping. It's not a joke, Susan. Majority of nurses in these places, super cool, super sweet, absolute angels sent by God herself to restore my faith in humanity. It's like
What do
some
you-
Fritos from the vending machine when the hospital runs low on snacks. But I'll be honest, every now and then, you'll get
Hoy,
a Susan.
ano sabi mo?
It's
Ang
obvious she
tatapang
only
ng
took
apong
this
ka.
job
Yan,
for
naliligaw ka.
Susan?
She'll talk
Hindi
down
ko
to you
sinabi
like
yan,
a
ikaw may sabi
toddler.
niya.
She'll revoke your TV privileges for not taking the aforementioned
Kapag bago mo
macaroni
lang
art
dito.
assignment seriously.
Baka gusto mo makatikim ng sipag ka
As
tayo.
she knows nothing of fine art. And if you're lucky enough to have her assigned as your designated nurse for daily
Yan man,
check-ins, she'll say
nagpapaliwanag
things
ako.
like, just choose
Sus,
happiness.
Panginoon, dito na
I
kayo.
wonder if I
Para
could,
matuloy na
Susan.
ang meeting.
I wonder
Kayo
if
na
I
lang
could.
hinihintay ah.
Thankfully though, if
Andiyan
this
na ako.
also happens to you, you can request a
Nagkalamat
different
ka.
nurse. Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't want to be a bother.
Ang
I will
hihina naman
request a
ninyo.
different nurse.
Hindi naman kayo makalaman eh.
Normally, I'm the
Gawa
last
kayo.
person you'd ever expect to advocate for themselves. But that just goes to show how some
Kala
alliances
mo.
have a powerful way
Kala
of
mo.
trumping social
Kala
anxiety.
mo.
Because at the end of the
It's so random, like the random AI difficulty. You know what?
day,
I'm not
a
gonna.
bad nurse will tick you off, but a good nurse will make all the difference. My new nurse, who I'll just call Maria, was a young woman,
Ventilador.
probably in her late 20s or early 30s. And what made her a great nurse was that she actually listened to and advocated for us. When we were feeling horrible and hopeless, we could cry it out with her, girl or guy, and she never judged us. When we missed an activity, she made sure to do everything in her power to get
Mahal
that
talaga sa akin
therapy
yung gabi
dog
nito.
to visit us
Lagi
for
na lang ako
round
tatalo.
2. And if we ever had to be admitted a second time, third time,
Wala no.
even a
Pero
fourth,
ibinigay
Maria
mo
would
yung
always be
dito.
there with open arms.
Ano binigay mo sa
She
akin?
never
Bakit
made you feel
binigay
like a
ah?
burden
Hindi
for
ko
needing
sabi,
help.
ilabas mo.
It's
She
good.
made you feel like a person
Ibinigay
again.
ko na ho sa
So,
inyo,
if you're thinking about getting into this long,
O sige,
That's
uuwi ka
exactly
sa bahay. Kunin mo yung pera sa tabuhan ha.
what they.
Ano kung babagal-bagal?
line of work, please take it from me.
Alam ko meron pang pera. Sige, kunin mo na. Kunin mo na.
Maria.
Aray, naku.
Eventually, my week
Hoy,
was up.
huwag mo
I was
magtutulak ha.
discharged,
Meron ka
given
lang dito.
antidepressant
Ang lakas
medication
mong
to
tingin
take,
ng
and
balado.
a therapist to check in with, and sent back to school as if nothing ever happened. Though, to my surprise, people did notice my absence. Even people I rarely talked to asked where I was and if everything was okay.
Bakit
A
hindi ka
girl I
tumapat
hadn't
sa
talked to
taas?
since 5th
Ha?
grade baked me a
Ganon?
cake
Oh,
and brought it to my house while I was gone. So again, speaking from experience, please believe me when I tell you, people will care if you disappear one day. They will notice. They will miss you more than you will ever know. Back then, I wasn't ready to talk about where I actually was, so instead I just told people, oh yeah, I was really sick. It was pneumonia. I had it once when I was really little, and I guess it just came back and got really bad.
Next, ano ginawa niya sa'yo?
In the hospital for like a week. But they had like a school program there, so that's why it says I transferred, but I didn't really. And
Hoy, Bossy! Salamat
I
ha!
felt bad lying to
Wala naman,
people,
mamay.
especially my friends.
But
I felt
also,
worse knowing how they'd respond if
speaking
I
of
told them the truth.
a year,
Being
this
admitted to
been a
psychiatric
2 years
hospital
also.
became this
I was
deep,
so
dark
late.
secret I hid
Woman.
for years. It became a
Why
scene
nobody-
on the transcript
why-
as it awkwardly explained to teachers and later professors.
Why algorithm didn't show me earlier? When? Is it all just depression?
It was a disappointing checkbox to tick whenever I switched doctors and had to give them my medical history. But most of all, it was the growing fear of the look on other people's faces when I'd inevitably tell them,
Oh, Bossy,
yeah,
Mamay.
I went
hindi
to
ko pa
one of those
kailangan ng
not too
rasyon.
long ago.
Hindi pa ako.
Which is why I was surprised and relieved to see how much things have changed since I was admitted
Maraming
over 10
salamat
years
sa
ago.
tulong mo,
I
ah.
can't be the only one who's come
Wala
across the
yun.
TikToks
Kahit
of
sinong tao
patients doing
makitang
dance
ginaganon
trends
ka,
with their
yak,
nurses
tutulungan ka.
or
Hindi
talking
rin. Malamang
There been?
about what they eat in a day and opening up about what these stigmatized facilities are actually like. The good, the bad, and the ugly. It's not an easy conversation to have, let alone start.
Wala,
I
talo.
really could have benefited from seeing positive posts like this when I was younger. I definitely wouldn't have been so scared. And it was posts like these that ultimately gave me the courage to write this video, as well as to remember no one should feel ashamed for being sad and needing help. In 2019, I was really going through it, to say the least. I was the new kid on YouTube, and some people in this vast community
Mamay.
didn't like that. They doubted my
How
story.
old are you?
They questioned my success.
Okay.
And they spread very harmful and serious rumors about me. This not only made all my new friends wary of me, it led to them abandoning me to avoid the drama. because if anyone stood up for me, they would also become a target of gossip and eventually ostracized. By the time I heard what people were saying about me, it made me paranoid, anxious,
Bakit po, Chi?
and overall, it destroyed me from the inside out.
Sinong Mike? Yung
So,
Mike,
in
That's so
August
random.
2019, I voluntarily admitted myself into a psychiatric facility here in
Again?
California for 3 days. But I was so ashamed at the time that I didn't tell anyone. Not my team of artists, not my managers, not even my own roommate. I lied and told her I'd just be gone for a couple days and I left. And if anyone asked, I simply had a family emergency. When I was discharged, I started working on
I was
rediscovering the courage I needed to
freezing.
confront this person.
It feels like I was freezing watching this video. It feels like one whiff of the wind feels like Antarctica.
Bakit ba?
Oh my god.
Ano?
Thankfully, within a few months, my real friends returned to me, apologized, and defended me. We've since rebuilt our friendships, and they're stronger than ever. And when I look back now, I'm so
Nasaan na ba siya? Sabi ko dito lang siya magsalit eh.
I'm not hitting. You know what? No. I'm not gonna.
proud of herself for doing all that she did. Because frankly, I wouldn't be alive to tell you this story had I not admitted myself that day. Seeking help doesn't make you a burden. It doesn't make you an attention seeker. You're not being overdramatic or too sensitive. What you're feeling is real. It's sad and it's scary. So please take it from me. If I can do it, I know you can too.
Ate,
Thank you for watching this video.
kaya ako pumarito
Please check
para
out the
humingi ng paumanin sa'yo sa inasal ko sa restaurant ng isang araw. Pasensya ka na sana dun sa
This
nangyari.
was so random. This shocked me. So I'm gonna save it to so cold.
Merienda na tayo. Hoy! Lalaki!
Ate, kaya nga pala nakalimutan ko.
WTH.
May trabaho pa pala ako eh. Meron.
Don't worry, it will not show it in this exact minute or second, but maybe earlier. So yeah, this was so random. Ilang porsyento na yan? 50. And also, this also so random. Like, should I subscribe? Not. Let me think for a second yet before. Maybe tomorrow. Let me think until tomorrow. Well, so just gonna automatically subscribe if the algorithm will show it tomorrow.
Tara!
See you. Bye bye.